Today's topic is business applications of information technology in the subject of management of information system. So first, what is the internet? The internet is an increasingly important part of everyday life for people around the world. But if we have never used the internet before, all of this new information might feel a bit of confusing at first. Throughout this tutorial, we will try to answer some basic questions you may have about internet and how it is used. When you are done, you will have a good understanding of how the internet works, how to connect to the internet, and how to browse the web. Internet The internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. With the internet, it's possible to access almost of any information, communicate with anyone else in the world, and do much more. You can do all of this by connecting a computer to the internet, which is also called as going online. When someone says a computer is online, it's just another way of saying it's connected to the internet. Advantage of internet. First, information on almost every subject imaginable. Next to powerful search engines, ability to do research from your home versus research libraries. Information at various levels of study, everything from scholarly articles to ones directed at children. Message boards where people can discuss ideas, any topic, ability to get wide range of opinions. People can find other that have a similar interest in whatever they are interested in. The internet provides the ability of emails, free mail services to anyone in the country. Platform for products like Skype, which allows to for holding a video conference with anyone in the world who also has access. Friendships and love connections have been made over the internet by the people involved in love and passionate over the similar internets. Things such as Yahoo Answers and other sites where kids can have really available help for homework. News of all kinds of is available almost instantaneously. Commentary on that news from every conceivable viewpoint is also available. Advantages of internet. There is a lot of wrong information on the internet. Anyone can post anything, and much of it's garbage. There are predators that hang out on the internet, waiting to get unsuspecting people in dangerous situations. Some people are getting addicted to the internet and thus causing problems with their interactions of friends and loved ones. Pornography that can get in the hands of the young children easily. Easy to waste a lot of time on the internet. You can start surfing and then realize for more time has passed than you realized. Internet and television together are added to the more secret, sedentary lifestyles of people, which further expedited the obesity problems. Internet has a lot of cheaters sites. People can buy essays and post them off as their own for more easily than they used to be able to do. There are a lot of unscrupulous businesses that have sprung up on the internet to take advantage of the people. Hackers can create virus that can get into your personal computer and valuable data. Hackers can use the internet for identity theft. It can be quite depressing to be on the internet and realize just how to uneducated so many people have become in today's society. Electronic commerce, usually known as e-commerce, online commerce, or web-based commerce. Electronic commerce means doing business in products or services through online or using internet in doing business of products and services. Internet is the major backbone of e-commerce transactions. E-commerce means sale or purchase of goods and services conducted over the network of computers or television channels by methods of specifically designed for the purpose. Advantages of e-commerce. The advantages of the e-commerce can be classified mainly into three categories. First one is advantage to the organizations, and second one is advantage to the customers, and third one is advantage to the society. Advantage to organizations: increase customer base. The customer base is every business main concern, online or offline. When online, a business does not have to worry about getting the best properly in town. People from around the world have access to their products and can come back at any time. Rise in sales. A rise in sales by not managing a statement, a storefront. Any business will have more sales online with a higher profit margin. They can redistribute money to make the consumer shopping experience faster and more efficient. While being available to intermediate international market, more product will sell 24 by 7 into 365 days. It is a snowing and the roads are closed, or it is too hot and humid to even step out in the summer, or holiday that every store in town closes. You will your online business is open for consumers 24 by 7 every day of the year. The doors never close and profits will make keeping rising. Expand business reach. A great tool on the internet is a transaction. A business owner does not have to make a site for every language. With the right marketing, every consumer around the globe can find the business site, products, and information without leaving. Recurring payments mode easy. With a little research, every business can set up recurring payments. Find the provider that best suits your needs, and billing will be done in a consistent manner. Payments will be received in the same way. Instant transactions. With e-commerce, there is no more waiting for the check to clear or 30 days. Wait for certain other types of payments. Transactions are cleared immediately or almost 2-3 days for the money to clear through the banking system. Business expansions. Using e-commerce, organizations can expand their marketing to national and international markets with minimum capital investment. An organization can easily locate more customers, best suppliers, and suitable business partners and across the globe, reducing reduced process time. E-commerce helps organizations to reduce the cost to create processes, retrieve and manage the proper based information by digitalizing the information. Brand image. E-commerce improves the brand image of the company. Better customer services. E-commerce helps the organization to provide better customer services. Easy and faster processing. E-commerce helps to simply the business process and make them faster and efficient. Reduce paperwork. E-commerce reduces paperwork a lot. Increased productivity. E-commerce increases the productivity of the organization. It supports full type of supply management. In full type of supply management, a business process starts when a request comes from a customer and it uses just-in-time manufacturing way. Customers. Convenience. Every product is at the tip of your fingers on the internet. Literally. Type in the product you are looking for into your favorite search engine and every option appears in a well organized list in a matter of seconds. Time saving. With e-commerce, there is no driving in circles while looking and digging in hopes of finding what you need. Stores online offer their full lines as well as warehouses instead of storefront products are easy to locate and can be delivered to your door in just days. Options and options. Without driving from store to store, the consumer can easily compare and constant products. See who offers the best pricing and have more options to choose from. While a physical store has limited space, the same store on the internet will have full stock. Easy to compare. Side by side comparison are readily available and easy to do. When products are placed online, they come with all the specifics and they want to you to compare them with others. No, they have the best options and come back for more. Easy to find reviews because of the competition is high. Company does not does online want to look at other consumers reviews. Good and bad reviews are on every site. Not only can you see if the product liked, you can also see the reasons behind the thumbs up or down. Coupons and deals. With every online business wanting you more and more coupons and deals cannot be avoided, which are totally great too for forecasting with major sites the tax department stores. You may find items up to 80% off. Take advantage of the competition and find the best price available. 24 into 7 supports. Customer can do transactions for the products or inquiry about any product or services provided by a company anytime, anywhere, from any location. Here 24 into 7 refers to 24 hours of each 7 days of a week. Unlimited options. E-commerce applications provides user more and quick delivery of products. Review of feedback facility. A customer can put review comments about a product and can see what others are buying. See that review comments of other customers before making find buy. Virtual actions. E-commerce provides options of virtual action. readily available of information. A customer can see the relevant details information within seconds rather than waiting for days or weeks. E-commerce increases competition among the organizations and as a result organizations provide substantial discounts to customers. To society. Customers need not travel to a shop, products the less traffic on roads and low air pollution. E-commerce helps reducing cost of products so less affluent people can also afford the products. E-commerce has enabled access to services and products to rural areas as well as which are otherwise not available to them. E-commerce helps government to deliver public services like healthcare, education, social services at reduced cost and improved way. Internet, it is a global system of interconnection connected computer networks not regulated by any authority. Thus connects in the network is accessible to everyone connected. It is largest in terms of number of connected devices. It is owned by no one's. It is more means of sharing information throughout the world. Security is dependent of the user of the devices connected to network. Example, what we are normally using is internet. Users can access internet to any anonymously. Internet is unregulated and uncensored. Internet. It is a private network specific to an organization. It is regulated by an organization. Thus, connect in the network is accessible only to members of organization. It is small network with minimal number of connected devices. It is owned by a single organization. It means of sharing sensitive information throughout the organization. Security is enforced via firewalls. Examples: TCS using internet network for its business operations. Users should have valid username, passwords to access internet. By internet is regulated by the organization policies. Extranet. It is a private network that uses public network to share information with suppliers and vendors. It is regulated by the multiple organizations. The the content in the network is accessible to members of organization and external members with access to network. It is owned by single or multiple organizations. It is a means of sharing information between members and external members. Security is enforced by a firewall that separate internet and extranet. Example: HP and Intel using network for business related operations. Users should have valid username, password to access the internet. Extranet is also regulated by the contractual arguments between organizations. Information system for marketing. Marketing information system. Marketing activities are directed towards planning, promoting, selling goods and services to satisfy the needs of customers and the objectives of the organization. Five P's of the marketing supports decision making such as product, price, promotion, and people. Production information system. Production design and engineering, production scheduling and quality control, production costing, production logistics, manufacturing resource prioring, computer integrated manufacturing and computer aided manufacturing, total quality management and inventory management. Accounting information system. accounting and financial information system. Accounts receivable management, accounts payable management, payable record management, inventory control management, general ledgers, financial forecasting and planning, financial control, funds management, integration financial auditing, capital budgeting, working capital management, dividend decisions, financial leverage, funds procurement and funds allocation, etc. Human resource information system, human resource planning, recruiting and workforce management, compensation and benefits, government reporting and reduces reducers support, marketing information system, product line pricing, supply chain management, enterprise resource planning, um, sales force management, sales promotion management, publicity, advertisements, and sales forecasting. For information system for decision making, transaction processing systems, management information system, decision support system, or knowledge work system, group support system, communication system, office automation system, enterprise resource planning systems are the major areas of information system for decision making. Information system for managerial decision, strategic management as a part of strategic planning process for executives development, overall organizational goals, strategies, policies, and monitor the strategic performance of the organization and its overall direction in the political, economical, and competitive business environment. Tactical management, business unit managers and businesses professionals in self-directed teams develop short and medium range plans, schedules, budgets, and specify policies, procedures, and business aptitudes for their subunits of the company, and allocate resources and monitor the performance of their organizational subunits, including departments, divisions, process teams, project teams, and other work groups. Operational management. Operational management and members of the self-directed teams develop shorter plans, example, workly production schedules, and direct the use of resource and the performance of task according to the procedures and within budget and scheduling they establish for the teams and other working groups of the organization. Operation supporting system produce a variety of information products for internal and external use, such as processing business transactions, controlling industrial process, supporting enterprise communication and collaboration, and updating corporate databases effectively. They do not emphasize the specific information products that can be used by managers. Further processing by the management information system is usually required. management information system. Provide information in the form of reports and display to manage and many business professionals that support their day-to-day decision-making needs. Usually, the information has been specified in advance to adequate meet the expectations on the operational and tactical levels of the organization, where the decision making within the situations are more stressed, structured, and better defined. Decision support system or computer-based information systems that provide interactive information supposed to managers and business professionals during the decision making process. DSS use analysis make special, specialized databases a decision make even insight and judgments and in instructive computer modeling process in the support and semi-structured business decisions. Expert information system or executive information system are information systems that combine many of the future of MIS and DSS. Here the information to personal inform tailored to the performance of the executives using the system such as graphical users interface and customized to the executive graphics displays expectations responding trend analysis and abilities to drill down and uh, retrieve displays of related information quickly as low level of dictual specified processing system are used information system characterized as functional business systems, strategic information systems, knowledge management systems, and expert systems. It is important to realize that business applications of information system in the real world are typically integrated combinations of all the types of information systems. In practice, all these different types of and roles of information system are combined into integrated or cross-functional business information system that provide a variety of functions. Thus, most information systems are depending on to produce information and support decision making for virtual levels of management and business functions, as well as perform record keeping and transaction processing chores. Whenever you analyze or work within an information system, you probably see that it provides information for a variety of manager levels and business functions. Information system for strategic advantage. First one, low cost leadership. Use info use information system to achieve the lowest operational costs and lowest prices. For example, a supply chain management system can incorporate to an efficient customer response system to directly link consumer behavior to distribution and production and supply chains, helping lower inventory and distribution costs. Next, production differentiation. Use information system to enable new products and services or greatly change the customer convenience in using your existing products and services. For instance, Land sets mass customization, offering individuality tailored products or services using the same products resources as mass production to customer tailor clothing to individual customer specifications. Focus on market niche using information system to enable specific market focus and serves the this narrow target market better than competitors. Information systems support this strategy by predicting and analyzing data for finely tuned sales and marketing techniques. Hilton Hotels use a customer information system with detailed data about active guests to provide tailored services and rewards profitable customers with extra providing and attention. Strengthen customer and supply chain intimacy. Use information system to tighten linkages with the suppliers and develop intimacy with the customers. Chrysler Corporation uses information system to facilitate a direct access from the suppliers to production schedules and even permits the suppliers to decide how and when for ship suppliers to crystal factories. This allows suppliers more lead time in producing goods, strong linkages to customize and suppliers increase switching cost. The cost of switching from one product to competing products and loyalty your firm. Quotas competitive strategy model. New market entrants, substitute products, the firm and competitors, suppliers, customers. SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. And so, a SWOT analysis is a technical technique for accessing these four aspects of your business. You can use SWOT analysis to make the most of what you have got for your organization best advantage and you can reduce the chances of failure by understanding what you are looking and eliminating hazards that would ob- otherwise catch your unawares. Better still, you can start to craft a strategy that distinguishes you from your competitors and so complete such a successful in your market. SWOT analysis, SWOT Mars. While analyzing the SWOT analysis, a company has to focus on first of all its strengths. Strengths most sponsored corporate patents spread across the world in 650 languages and regions. The market territory spans nearly 200 countries on five continents, selling for not only cola but also other types of beverages, long history with a certain status. Next, weaknesses. No certain integration and common goal of strategic management, failure to develop new tastes, gradual transfer of customer loyalty, loss of market development opportunities. Olympic Games sponsorship, partnership in the World Cup, Chinese rural market at entrance, American film market entrance, and threats. Pepsi, the biggest competitor. These products may not be favored by young people today. Products are not considered to be good for health. The critical path method CPM is a step-by-step project management technique for processing planning that defines critical and non-critical tasks with the goal of revealing time framework problems and process bottlenecks. The CPM model is ideally suited to projects consisting of numerous activities that interact in a complex manner. In applying the CPM 3A, there are several steps that can be summarized as follows. Define the required tasks and put them down in an order sequence list. Create a flowchart or other diagram showing each task in relation to the others. Identify the critical and non-critical relationship among the tasks. Determine the expected completion or execution time for each task. Locate or device alternative backups for the most critical paths. Program evaluation and review technique part is a technical adopted by organizations to analyze and respond the activity in a project and to illustrate the flow of events in a project. PERT is a method to evaluate and estimate the time required to complete a task within deadlines. PERT serves as a management tool to analyze, define, and integrate events. PERT also illustrates the activities and interdependencies in a project. The main goal of PERT is to reduce the cost and time needed to complete a project. Identifying tasks and milestones. Every project involves a series of required tasks. The tasks are listed in a table, allowing additional information on sequence and timing to be added later. Placing the task in a proper sequence. The tasks are analyzed and placed in a sequence to get and desired results. Network diagram. A network diagram is drawn using the activity sequence data showing the sequence of serial and parallel activities. The estimating. This is the time required to carry out each activity in three parts. Optimum timing. The shortest time to complete an activity. Most likely timing. The completion time having the highest probability. Pessimistic timing, the longest time to complete an activity. Criteria path establishing the this determines the total time required to complete a project. Disadvantages. There can be potentially hundreds of or thousands of activities and individually dependence relationships. Part is not easily scalable for smaller projects. The network charts tends to be large and unwidely requiring several pages to print and requiring special size papers. The lack of time frame on most part and CPM charts make it harder to show status, although colors can help specific color for updating notes. When the part and CPM charts are becoming unwidely, they are no longer used to manage the project. Limitations of PERT analysis. A major disadvantage of PERT has been its emphasis only on time, not on costs. The cost of setting of such system are extensive. It is difficult to estimate accurate time and the cost of various activities involved in a project. Errors in estimation makes the part charts unreliable as control 8. These systems will not help managers to solve all their problems.